entering JFK UMass.
Hello.
Last call, South Station. Have a good day.
Night.
Night.
See you later. Oh my god. My freaking eardrums just bursted. No conductor. Awkward.
Caution, the doors are about to close.
Wait a second, something is not right. Wait, that says Harvard. You guys can't see it, but it actually says Harvard. It literally says Harvard. Listen. Open the doors. Guess you don't want to, huh? That literally says Harvard. Okay, it's super blurry. that train literally says Harvard. Because there's service change Alewife and Harvard. So now there are no longer trains heading to Alewife. Now terminating at Harvard. Goodbye, Harvard train. Hope you recover. You gotta be kidding me, bruh. Okay. Do not even think about stopping. Good. See, it says Harvard. You can't even see it. But it literally says Harvard. Hope you learn your lesson. Piano train. See, you learned your piano skills. Impressive, Mr. Train. Uh-oh. No, not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Don't even think about bursting my eardrums ever again, train. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that was kind of painful. He's back! Yo! Oh my god! I thought you were the middle barrel train.
See ya. We're going back to Kingston now. I gotta show
Okay.
you. Have a good night.
Bye. Hopefully I get to see you again. Hopefully you heard that. Good night.
Good night.
W train conductor. That was the best train conductor. Oh my god, that was the best train conductor. Well, that was the best commuter rail train conductor in 2024. Oh my god. Well, can't wait to see him again. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.